Introduction, King Bike. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're diving into the aggressive and iconic Kawasaki Z1000, a street fighter that perfectly blends raw power with bold design. If you love naked bikes with serious attitude, this one deserves your attention. Design and styling. The Kawasaki Z1000 stands out with its sharp, muscular, and futuristic design. It follows Kawasaki's Sugomi styling philosophy, giving it a predator-like stance with a low front, aggressive tank, and minimal bodywork. The LED headlamps and sculpted lines make it look fast even when it's standing still. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Z1000 is a 1043 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers thrilling performance. The bike produces strong low-end torque and explosive mid-range power, making it perfect for both city rides and highway blasts. The smooth throttle response and refined engine ensure a powerful yet controlled riding experience. Ride and handling. The Z1000 offers excellent handling thanks to its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension. It feels stable at high speeds while still being agile enough for city traffic. The upright riding position adds comfort, making longer rides more manageable compared to fully fared sport bikes. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by dual front disc brakes with ABS, providing strong and reliable stopping power. The braking system gives riders confidence, especially during sudden stops or high-speed riding. Features and technology. While the Z1000 focuses more on raw riding experience than excessive tech, it still offers essential features like a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and high-quality build components. It's designed for riders who prefer a pure connection with the machine. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Z1000 is a powerful street fighter that combines aggressive styling, strong performance, and solid handling. It's perfect for riders who want a bold, no-nonsense bike with a thrilling ride. If you're looking for a machine that turns